So the way that they've supported us and helped us, and the strategies that they give us, like continually helping us for the boys to grow and for us to grow as well and be able to help them the best that we can, you couldn't ask for anything better.
Hi, welcome to the BlueWing Show, where we're going to talk about relief, support, care and family for our participants. It is our mission to show you there is help and support and people that care about the individuals.
So my name is Jackie. My two boys, Logan and Kody, attend BlueWing Care for OT. We've got our plan management, support coordination, and soon we will hopefully have a support worker as well. So my two boys, Logan and Kody, they've both got a diagnosis of ASD, autism level 2, also level 3, ADHD, disruptive behaviour disorder, global developmental delay, speech language delay. They do have some sensory processing difficulties, very high pain tolerance. So we're very full on and very active. We do get meltdowns and tantrums, so a lot of challenging behaviours can arise from this.
Well, I've been their occupational therapist for a year and a half now, and they've gone so far from where we started. I can remember back when we were still in our old office, and the first time I met them, they came in and they started thrashing the whole place. And now I'm really happy how far they've gone. So now they're more engaged when it comes to our sessions. We participate more. They can follow simple instructions, complex instructions. They're doing much better at school. A lot of sensory problems that they have are being met through the equipments that we have here in the company. And their social interaction with their peers have improved a lot as well.
They are good kids. It's not just disobedience. When they're in that heightened state or the hyperactive state, a lot of people will very quickly judge. It's like, oh, you're not disciplining your child. They don't realise how much we've worked just to get to the point that we're at, just to stop them from having a meltdown or a tantrum at a shopping centre or out in public. So it's not just a off and on switch for them either. You have to ride with them through that roller coaster and bring them back down, deep down and behind everything. They are really, I wouldn't have them any other way. They are beautiful, they are kind, they do have manners. It's just in those moments where they've lost that ability to regulate their emotions or their behaviours, it's something that they shouldn't be judged on. We love everything about BlueWing. We love the therapists, we love the support. When you find a therapist or a service that gives the support that you need, that really takes your family on, gets to know you, gets to know the children, and you see your children respond absolutely beautifully with them, you don't want to lose that. So the way that they've supported us and helped us, and the strategies that they give us, like continually helping us for the boys to grow and for us to grow as well and be able to help them the best that we can, you couldn't ask for anything better.